Lesson 3: How to install Canva on your phone. Important notice: if you are watching this video from a phone, put the phone in landscape mode. This will enable you watch the video in full screen. Hello graphics champions, welcome to our first practical class on graphics designing. We're going to continue our practical using Canva. Now, to use Canva on your phone, you need to download the app first. Now, we're going to be using an Android phone for this class and for this illustration. So, you go to your phone and look for the Android Play Store. Here on my phone, this is the Android Play Store. So I'm going to click on it and it will take me to the Android Play Store. Now when I get to the Android Play Store, there are different apps I can download, but I am looking for Canva. So what I need to do is click on, you see the search panel here. I'll click on this search panel and I'll type Canva and I click on search. Now see, it has shown me the app called Canva. Now make sure the app you see has a C and looks just like this. So once it brings this for me, I would click on install. You can see install, this green button over here. So I'm going to click on install and it starts loading. So I'll wait for it to load. It will take a while depending on your internet connection. Now once it finished loading, it's going to start installing. You can see it's showing installing underneath here. So you wait for it to install. Now when you finish installing, it's going to open up another option for you to open the application. So what you can do, you can click on open the application, or you can go back to your phone home screen and look for the application there. And so here is Canva. Note that Canva also works on iPhones. If you are using an iPhone, go to your Apple Store, click on your Apple Store, then search for Canva, C-A-N-V-A. Search for Canva. Notice it has a C on it. Download the app and get started with your practicals. LearnHub.Africa, a future for everyone.